Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When your tree trimming and landscaping needs call for extra long pruning in hard-to-reach areas, the ECHO Power Pruner is the tool to get the job done quickly, easily, and safely. It extends to cutting lengths from 8 feet 11 inches to 12 feet 2 inches. The pruner uses a 2-stroke gas-powered engine and is designed for light to medium trimming of branches up to 8 inches in diameter. Before you get started, we recommend using the proper protective equipment, including safety glasses, earplugs, durable gloves, long pants, long-sleeved shirt, and sturdy work boots. For additional safety, a helmet and full face shield may be worn over safety glasses to provide protection from sharp branches or falling debris. Check the work area and decide where you'll cut by determining the direction the branches will fall. Plan your retreat from falling branches, as cut branches can bounce when striking the ground. Once you've prepared the area, you're ready to start the unit. Lay the pruner on the ground, keeping the bar and chain clear of all obstacles. Never try to start the pruner by holding it in one hand and pulling the starter rope with the other hand. This can cause you to lose control and possibly injure yourself or others. With the unit on the ground, check the fuel level and oil reservoir prior to starting. Then, move the stop switch to the run position. Put the choke lever in the cold start position. Next, locate the purge bulb and pump it until fuel is visible. Pump the bulb an additional 4 or 5 times. Firmly grasp the handle and throttle trigger lockout with your left hand. Then, fully depress the throttle trigger to the wide open position. Rapidly pull the recoil starter rope until the engine fires, or a maximum of 5 pulls. After the engine fires, move the choke lever to the run position. Release the throttle trigger and allow the unit to warm up at idle for several minutes. Now, if the engine does not run after 5 pulls, repeat the steps we just went through to initially start the unit. The pruner will come with a harness to make operating easier. When you're ready to cut, hold the cutting shoe against the branch. This will prevent the branch from whipping. Do not use a back and forth sawing action. As you cut, look out for branches immediately behind the branch you're cutting. If the saw chain hits a rear branch, it may cause damage to the saw chain and guide bar. Accelerate to full throttle and ease cutting pressure when nearing the end of the cut to maintain control. Remember, never use the pruner for felling or bucking. Prior to returning the tool back to the Home Depot Rental Center, be sure to clean any debris from the bar and chain with a brush or air hose to avoid cleaning charges. When you're ready to transport, be sure you secure the tool in your vehicle to prevent damage during transit. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.